Hello my crafty friends, it's Jellybean, and I'm back with another entry to my giveaway. I really am so surprised at the response I've had to my giveaway, and I want to thank everyone who has entered, everyone who has shared, and I just want to say good luck to everyone. The drawing will be this coming Sunday on March the 3rd. So good luck everybody. Let's see what entry number 16 has sent, who is, make sure I get it right, Pam Stinson. And just a heads up for y'all, my kitty cat's in heat, so you may hear her in the background. She's quite fine. She just wants a boyfriend. And we won't let her out, so I haven't had a chance to get her fixed yet. But anyway, back to entry number 16, who is Pam Stinson. I went ahead and I cut the envelope open gently, and I'm going to slide out. Ooh, I see my favorite colors. Wow, isn't that neat? She made a belly band for her pocket letter. That is so cool. And look at this pretty memory decks card. Y'all, this is packaged so pretty and looks so neat, I don't want to open it and mess it up. That is so pretty. She has taken some kind of die that's real fancy here and layered, it looks like a couple layers of it to make it strong, but then she has a layer of corrugated, it looks like almost an olive green. It's so pretty. And then she's put, I don't know if this is washi, let me see if I can, oh I can open it from the bottom and not mess up the packaging. Yay, I like when it's like that. There, now we can see it without the glare on it. And awesome, she has put a little card on the back so I wouldn't reveal her information. I'm always so worried about doing that. Look how pretty this is, nice and shabby. She's got the olive green corrugated. Turn a little bit more light on so maybe y'all can see. She's got like the olive green corrugated, and then she's got these stickers right here popped up on dimensionals. And see how dimensional that is? Wow. And then she's got these little rhinestones just ever so placed, just specifically to make it, give it just that little, That is so pretty. That's going to be such a nice collection to my, addition to my collection. I'm going to put that right there. How pretty. And everything's corresponding and matching, going together here. I love this paper. I haven't seen this paper with the rose gold. That's my new favorite found right now, is rose gold. I'm looking for rose gold everything. Look at this pretty card. Make sure it's, yes. She has taken and put this pretty paper that's a peachy pink color with the rose gold leaves, little tiny leaves that are metallic rose gold. Isn't that pretty? And she's put that paper there, and then she's put this strip, border strip across here. She's got the two little flowers in each corner with the little pearl in the center. And then she has a circle punch or die cut in pink underneath there, or peach. My light is yellow now that I have, and it's throwing me off on my colors, y'all. But then she's popped up on dimensionals this We Grow Together circle, and she has some little bitty eyelash trim up under there. Isn't that just so dainty looking? Oh, I love this. This is so nice. And then she's got, this looks like a linen paper that she's made the card out of. It's got those little specks in it like the linen paper does. And then she's got the border strip down here. That is so nice. And she's made the envelope to match out of the rose gold paper. the peach with the rose gold leaves. I'm drawn to the rose gold. That is so pretty. And then to her pocket letter, I want to slide this off, but I don't want to mess anything up. I'm always afraid I'm going to mess up y'all's beautiful artwork. Y'all have sent such beautiful things in. I do not want to mess anything up. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is awesome. I love this. Wow. This, it says, there is beauty in the simple things. How true is that? On the side here, it looks like she's got another border strip with the rose gold going down in that same peachy pink color that everything's matching in, and with the rose gold strip. And then she's got a row of eyelash trim. I'm a sucker for eyelash trim, y'all. I have a drawer full of it. And then, wow, she's just got so many little dainty details on here. On this pocket here, let me make sure I'm in frame. Okay. Did y'all get to see the whole thing? Let me make sure here. Okay, now zoom back up. I wish I could get rid of that shadow somehow. It's bugging me. Maybe that'll help. Right here on this pocket here, it's that peachy pink color, and she's got some little diamond shaped bling on the paper. And this paper is so pretty. It's got some little, it almost looks like watercolor hearts on it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's just faded in just ever so lightly. It's really pretty. On the front of the pocket, she's got this popped up on dimensionals, and she's layered it. It looks like there's two different layers here with the little tiny pearl in the center, and it's got a metal going around the pearl. I really like that. I hadn't seen any pearls like that. Excuse my sniffles, y'all. I'm so sorry. In this middle pocket, this is a green, a real light green with the leaves on it, and it's got the picture of this flower with a little tiny bit of speckled rose gold in the flower. It says grateful for this, and she's got these pretty flowers on the outside with the pearls in the center. And then this pocket is just like this one. It's just the opposite. She's popped up on dimensionals her little, this feels like a real thick cardstock that she fussy cut out. It's really nice. And again, it's got that little pearl with the metal in behind it. I really like that. That's really cool. Here on the second row, we've got So Happy, and these are rose gold stickers here that she's got. And this is really neat the way she did this. It looks like either the paper had the mason jar, or she put a mason jar sticker and then popped up a chipboard flower thing. It looks like it's going in the mason jar. That's really cool the way she did that. She made it look very dimensional that way. And she's got some little bling here on top of the rose gold paper again. Isn't that pretty? And the bicycle is in the middle. Y'all know how much I love the bicycles. And again, it's on that really light green paper with the green leaves. And then this one here is the same as the other side. She's done that dimensional trick with the mason jar to make it look like it's really dimensional, because the mason jar, that's really cool. I really like that. It's the mason jar looks like a clear sticker, and then this is a chipboard sticker with the flowers on it that she's popped up in front of that, and it just looks like it's growing down into the mason jar. That's really cool. I like that. I might have to borrow that. That gives me ideas. Down here again, she has this real pretty pink paper with the little faded in hearts, and she's got this real thick cardstock. It looks like she's fussy cut out again with the pearl with the metal. And then here she's got another of the, this is kind of hiding it, and I don't want to dump anything out, but you can see the sticker. It says my heart is full, And it's got this pretty flower on this. Now she's put this flower circle on top of the paper, I can tell on that one. She's also got some pretty pink flowers here with the pearl centers. And over here again, she's got some more of that pretty pink paper with the faded in hearts and her thick chipboard on top that she's fussy cut. And the little pearl with the metal in behind it. That is so pretty. I love this. This is that clean and simple that I'm trying to do. And every time I try, it ends up with too much lace and feathers, and it ends up shabby. Excuse me. Oh, wow. Look at all these neat things she has on the back here. Wow. In this first pocket here, she's got some die cut shapes that are really cool looking. It looks like cactus and looks like a little plant in a greenhouse. Some plants and borders. Oh, they're stickers. They kind of fooled me. I didn't really see the acetate in behind them. That is so cool. Let me try to get these out. These are really neat. I like these. And all my favorite colors, the green and the pinks and the gold. There we go. This one here is like a diamond shaped greenhouse. And the gold is metallic. And then this is some flag banners. Those are really cool. The cactus are gold. And then we got, oh, look at these. This looks like a terrarium of plants that says, let's cuddle. Isn't that cute? Another page banner. I needed some of these. Those are really nice. And some circle stickers. And another terrarium with the cactus. Looking sharp with some old cactus on it. And another circle. Oh, that's cool. And another terrarium. Those are really nice. Thank you, lady. Move my stuff out the way here. And then in this pocket, she's got some of these real pretty flowers that I like. I don't know what kind these are, but I got some of these in a swap before. They have the gold words across the flower, and it's like a mint green. They're really pretty. I'm not going to take these out. It'll take me forever to get everything out and put back in. And then here are some wood hearts, some little laser cut hearts. I gotta see these. These are pretty. These will be easy to get out. Check these out. Wow, I have a few hearts, but they're teeny. They're not like this. These are really pretty. Aren't those pretty, y'all? Thank you, Pam. I love it. Love it. And in this pocket, there are some paper clips that are in the shape of leaves and apples. There's a leaf, and you can kind of see the apple. And in this pocket here, it looks like she gave me some of those mason jars. She did. Oh, that is so awesome. Now see, I don't have to borrow your idea. You just sent me some. Isn't that cool? See how they're up on dimensionals and it just looks like it's growing out of the jar? That is so cool. Thank you. Wow. And then we have some bling in this pocket. Well, sequins. They bling to me because they glitter. Check those out. And then there's also a tassel and a clothespin. My big fingers will have a hard time getting those. And then, oh look, it's the gold diamond shaped little bling that she used on the front. She just put them in diamond shape when they come in square. Wow, that's creativity, y'all. And then there's some really pretty pink eyelash trim. Look how light pink this is. You know, I couldn't find a light pink. I looked for real light pink, baby pink like that, and I couldn't find it. Thank you. I will be using this very sparingly. And then down here in this pocket, it looks like there's some more die cut shapes in her colors that she sent things in green and peach. There's some cactus. Oh, look at the little camera. It's got a smile on it. Isn't that cute? And another cactus, and I'm just dropping everything everywhere. Got some gold flowers, leaf shapes, and a heart. These are really cute. A dream catcher and another cactus. These are so awesome. Thank you, lady. Thank you very much. Let me see if Pam has a YouTube channel, and if she does, I will link it at the bottom. Looks like she has an Instagram, and I don't see any mention of a YouTube channel. So I will put a link to her Instagram below, and y'all go check out her Instagram. And this is beautiful. Thank you, lady. Thank you so much. I love this. These are my colors here. Very nice. And I'll be adding up your points and sending out emails. I kind of got a little behind. My grandson got sick again this weekend, and they kind of think maybe something's going on with his stomach rather than it's a stomach bug all the time, because this will be like the third time he's had it. So now we're watching him for certain things. But anyway, I got a little behind again. Hopefully it's not a stomach bug and I don't catch it again. That was horrible. But anyway, thank you, lady. I'll be adding up everyone's points and sending them out this week. I will also, in the corner, put the little eye with the original video and the update video, so y'all can go check those out. Go check out what's in second prize and what was added to first prize. I'll get it right here in a minute. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.